Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec Sense. Let's take a closer look at reflector light bulbs. Now, this includes BR, PAR, and MR shapes. Now, these lamps use a reflective material to either focus or diffuse light, and are commonly used in recessed, can, and track lighting. All light bulbs have a code which describes the shape, size, and base type. Now, this code can be determined by a few measurements. The first part of the code is the bulb shape. For the bulb size, measure the diameter in inches, then multiply that number by 8. Now measure the base in millimeters. This gives us a BR30 bulb with an E26 medium screw base. Now let's take a look at the different shapes. BR, or bulged reflectors, are floodlights that diffuse the light away from the center. This creates a soft, even light. These lights are usually 2 to 5 inches wide and most commonly use the E26 base. PAR, or parabolic aluminized reflectors, use a curved reflector to shape the light into a focused beam. PAR lights come in both spot and flood configurations, but generally the light has a more defined edge. These lights are usually 2 to 5 inches wide and most commonly use the E26 base. MR, or multifaceted reflectors, are small bulbs used in track lights, display lighting, and in outdoor fixtures. MR16 is the most common size and comes in several different bases. The GU10 twist lock base measures 10 millimeters between the center of each pin. The GX 5.3 is a push-style base that measures 5.3 millimeters between pins. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can always call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.